Hey, y'all. Have y'all ever had a day that you even doubted if you yourself was doing drugs because you was just like, why? What is going on? Y'all, this is the fourth time that I've recorded or thought I was recording this video to teach y'all about A plus content. So I pray to God that this is the correct video because after this, I'm done. My computer is dying and I have some other things I need to do. So for y'all, if you are new to my page, I apologize. I am not this crazy all the time. I usually get straight to the point, but you have to understand my frustration today. So my name is Ashley M. King, aka the Get It Done Queen, and I help people of faith tell their story by writing a book and leverage their message to create brands and not just books. You can go to my website, ashleymking.com, to learn more about me. So in today's video, preferably, you're going to be seeing me upload content to Amazon's A+ for authors, right? So if you're not familiar with A+, this was an option that they had some time ago for like their product side, because Amazon's a beast. They not only sell books, but we go to everything, food these days, clothing, shoes, whatever you need, you can find it on Amazon. So when you go there, they generally have pictures, text, videos, all that type of stuff that the seller could upload. And that was like the A+ content. And that, enhances someone's experience because they get to see the product and the imagery of it and everything in a different light. And so we're doing research. It helped increase sales about 3 to 10%, which I think, even though it's a low number, it's still great. Anything that helps increase the chance of someone purchasing your book, your product, is a-okay for me. So this is like, I don't say it's new. It's been out for some months now, but it's relatively new for Amazon in their history that they've offered this for the KDP side for authors, right? And so I've actually, got the imagery that I want designed to be uploaded. And we're going to do that together. So keep saying prayerfully because God, I want this to work. I want it to work. So as you can see here, this is the basic layout that you have of any book, right? When you upload your book, you have the imagery here, the title, the summary of it, and all the other content, information that Amazon is going to upload. All right. And as you see here, my book is normally $14.99, but of course, Amazon dropped my price to $4.30. I'm not worried. One, Amazon is not the only platform I use to promote my book. That's part of my marketing strategy. And two, Amazon says that if they drop this price, they should honor what my royalty should be. So even though it's $4.30, I should get my normal royalty rate of what $14.99 would be. So this right here is what it looks like now. Once we get finished with the A+ and Amazon's approving and everything, it should be right around here. It's going to say from the publisher. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. So just log into your account. And once you come to your back office, as I like to call it, you're going to locate the book that you want to upload the A+ content to. Come over here to the 3 dots and go to promote and advertise. Get up and run the ad campaign, and let's go straight to A+ content. You're going to choose your marketplace, whether it's, the US, UK, Denmark, France, the Netherlands, Australia, wherever. Choose your marketplace and then press manage A+ content. So as you see here, like I said, this is my 4th time trying to record this. The first time I did it, perfect. It's already in review. I don't know if this is the 2nd or 3rd time. It's just in that testing. So We're going to try this again, and I'm not going to publish it, but I'll let you know what it's going to say after you've published, or, you know, on your end. So I'm going to go here, start creating A+ content. Content name. You want to name this the name of your book, but for the simple fact of me not getting confused later on, I'm just going to put test 2. But content name, please name this your book's title, because as you start to add on more, it's going to get more and more complex. So when you come here to add module, there are 17 different options, and they all have different sizes. You won't be able to see them right away. There excuse me, it is posted as far as the different sizing options that they have, and I wrote down the sizes for my particular content. So the first one I'm going to start with is my top imagery, my top image, and I'm going to use here the standard image header with text, and that is 970 by 600. I should say it here. I'm going to click to add my image. Here I have it labeled top, middle, author, which is the bottom. It's very important that you label them where you want them to be, and you'll see why, particularly when I get to the middle section. So I have here top. It looks like everything's here. There's nothing cut off. Now you want to put in image keywords. This is something they require because some customers may be using a screen reader application, for those that may be visually impaired or for whatever reason choose to use this application. So I'm simply going to put image of book. All right, that's here. I do not want any additional text added to this because everything that I want to type out or have typed is in this image. So I'm going to leave it blank, everything blank. I'm going to add my next module, which is my 3 images side by side, which is going to be here. Standard 3 images and text. Each are going to be 300 by 300. Perfect. So I know I selected the correct one. See here, middle left. That's the image that I want to go here. Once again, you're going to add some kind of imagery. I know that this full text cannot go in there, so I'm just going to put your obligation as a leader. And once again, it's going to, whatever you want to put, because your imagery, whatever it is here, is going to be different from mine. So you just want to put something that it gives, I think you have up to 100 characters, something that gives an explanation of what the image is all about. Boom. And the last one here, middle right. So once again, very important that you label your images correctly. And you'll see why, because this top image here flows into the middle image. So if these get out of order, then it messes up this image here. So middle right, quote, for the 4th time, I'll make it short. Okay. There's no other text that I want here, so I'm just going to go on at my final piece, which I have here, standard. All right, and that should be 970 by 300. Okay, well, it doesn't necessarily say it here, but once again, I'm not adding any text because all the text I want is in my images. So I'm just going to simply go here to add background image, 970 by 300. So I have the correct dimension, and add my bottom piece, put short bio for author. And all righty. So all my modules that I want, all my images, another term you want to say, are here. All right. So next, I'm going to apply the ASIN, which is my ISBN 10. Hopefully, I don't be messing up anything by trying so many times. As you see here, I have it highlighted. I'm just going to copy and paste right here. See, my book title comes up. Apply the content. They've been applied, make sure everything's correct. Now I'm going to go to review and submit. All right, so right here is showing this the desktop version. This beautiful lady here, my 3 images in the middle and my bio. And as you see, it's important that I put the images in the proper order. As you see, her scarf lines up perfectly without missing a beat. Had I not had these properly labeled in the middle part on the left or on the right, it just would have messed everything up. It just wouldn't look right. And then you can also see how it looks on mobile. You're going to come here. You see everything is just one under the other for the simple fact it's not a lot of content, you know, it's not a wide screen that you have on your phone. Okay. So if everything is to your liking and you are set to go, you're going to simply come up here and submit for approval. All right. Once again, I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. It's going to take, let me stop sharing my screen. It can take up to 7 business days for them to approve it. And then once approved, it can take 24 hours from there. So at the max, 8 days. You know, it's nothing different. When you upload a book, it can generally take them 72 hours. For this one, it's a little bit longer. And so I've uploaded it today. So of course I have up to 8 days. I'm gonna come back and show you the result of how it looks. If by chance it is not approved, then they will let me know why, and you can make the necessary changes. Now, there are so many different things that you can do with this option here. I mean, as you saw, there were 17 different images or sizes that you can upload. So you can be very creative. Let me see if I can share with you before my laptop dies. So if we're just going to go back. Let's just say we wanted to change this for whatever reason, right? Let's try this one. Remove image. Let me see. Yes. All right. Add module. So for this standard comparison chart, right? So say if you have a series, right? But 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you can put your comparison here. I mean, there's different options, or if you want to be creative, kind of describe your characters right here. You know, if you wanted to give different angles of your book, you can, or if you maybe have celebrity endorsements. Now I'm saying this, I don't know, I don't think that's against their terms and conditions, but you know, hey, if you had, it doesn't have to be celebrity, if you have people endorsing your book, maybe, you know, what they are saying here, that would be great. So once again, the options are endless, right? So you have the standard multiple image module. So I'm assuming you upload this image and then you have these mini ones that you can hover over and it will change this image here. So once again, don't limit yourself, you know, think about what you want to do. Now this is a service that my publishing company and my agency are offering. So if you are interested in us doing this service for you, then hey, hit us up. I'm going to put a link in the video or in the description below. If by chance you are, you know, listening to this and you can't, you're not able to see my screen, but you stayed all the way through, you can send me an email at hello@ashleymking.com. That's hello@ashleymking.com, and let me know that you're interested in us creating the A+ content for you, and we'll create it for you. If we need to upload, just let us know as well. All right. So if by chance I did not say this before because of the frustration of doing this for 4 times, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. A lot of you all are watching the video but aren't subscribing. 1, it means a lot to me, but 2, you're subscribing and liking help others find this video as well as other content that I've created to help them along their self-publishing journey. So I would really appreciate you subscribing, liking, comment on my videos. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. I know I'm about to unwind because trying to do this 4 times. Oh, Jesus, help us all. Y'all take care. Bye. Hey guys, so I am back. It's been
I want to say little over 2 weeks, so definitely longer than 8 days, or however long they said. So I guess the joke was on me. I used Safari most of the times, and I kept checking to see if it had been posted, and I was like, you know what, it's been quite some time now, definitely over the time frame they have stated. And while I was in chat with the representative, I said, let me check Chrome, and guess what, it was posted in there on Chrome. So Safari definitely gives me trouble time from time, so just in case you've kind of been posting, or you posted and you've been waiting, and you're using Safari, definitely use another internet browser to see if it's there. All right, so as you can see, this is the book details page, and voila, it says from the publisher, and this is the image that we posted. It has, my information, pretty much all that you've seen, that we put together in the previous half of the video. And so, like I mentioned before, there's numerous ways that you can have this design to look, but this is definitely a great asset to have on your book details page to add a little to set you apart from everyone else. All right. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you subscribe to this page, comment, like, please let me know what other content you would like to know more about. And thank you all so much for tuning in.